Ever wonder why some decisions just feel right, even when they don't make logical sense? Or why you sometimes get that nagging feeling you should not do something? What if those subtle nudges weren't just random thoughts, but profound messages from an internal guidance system you've always possessed? This video dives into the ancient wisdom of intuition, showing you practical steps to tune into your inner compass and navigate life's complexities with newfound clarity and confidence. Feeling lost, overwhelmed by choices, or constantly second-guessing yourself? In a world full of conflicting advice, it's easy to lose your way. But what if the clearest answers aren't out there but deeply embedded within you? First, learn to create silence. Set aside just a few minutes each day without distractions, no phone, no noise, so your inner voice has space to be heard. Second, tune into your body. Notice how it reacts to situations. A sense of expansion usually means alignment, while tension often signals resistance. Your body is your antenna, always guiding you. Third, practice mindful observation. Instead of rushing to judge or decide, pause, breathe. Let your awareness settle and watch as clarity rises on its own. And finally, trust the subtle signals. Intuition rarely shouts, it whispers. By honoring these whispers, you strengthen your connection to higher truths and begin to move with greater confidence through life's challenges.